Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be doing a new swatch video, which is one of my nail polish of the week ones, in which I take one random color from my pretty big nail polish collection and just swatch it, apply to my nails, put on a fresh manicure and just chat with you guys. And of course, let you know what I think about the polish, the base and so on. So first of all, you want to start off with clean nails. And as you can see, the stains that were in my gel polish overlay top coat layer are completely gone. I have redone my gel polish overlay with the pink gel lacquer rubber base as well as the shine top coat, just a thin layer because I don't want my nails to become really thick and gunky. So yeah, the stain from that Essence Watts Pop-In nail polish is completely gone, fortunately, because I was scared it was pretty much soaked through, like totally into my natural nail plate as well, but that didn't happen. So yeah, I am just going to apply my base, which is by What's Up Nails. This is the rich filler one. I think it's called the Hideaway Pink, or at least the Hideaway in the pink color. I really like this one. I don't really feel like I have a lot of ridges, not on my natural nails, but especially not because I have that gel polish overlay, which makes my nails completely evened out anyways. But I do like how long it makes my nail polish last, like at least the colored polish that I wear on top. But I do feel like if you are going to apply this on your natural nails, it is a pretty decent one. It's not like super thick or gunky, which sometimes rich filling base coats can be, so I really like it. I have to say I was sent out this one, I think it's like a couple of years ago already, but I still really love it, and a little bit goes a really long way. And as you can see, I'm actually painting both of my hands for this particular video, and yes, my nails are very short at the moment. I've been getting a lot of comments, like mostly positive, but also like comments like, "Ooh, I hate your nails right now when they're this short. Ooh, you have to really like grow them out again. And what's happened with you? Like 2 years ago your nails were super long and luscious, blah blah blah." I'm getting so much of that kind of comments that I'm like, well, people change. Sometimes you have to just cut them short and start over again, you know? But for some reason, those people who actually leave those comments don't really want to listen to that anyway, so I just kind of ignore them. Like, I have like two sides. Like, either I ignore it, or I go full on Dutch and super direct and become a little bit of a bitch. But that's just because Dutch people are very direct. And I am very direct myself, and that can come across as like mean or bitchy or something, even though I really am not, to be honest. Like, I can be if I have to, but I'm actually, even when I'm calling people out on being like internet trolls or something, I'm not being mean, I'm just being direct. Well, that's just a little side rant, but luckily there are a lot of you out there that are actually in the short nails club at the moment as well. So yeah, let's hang out together. For the colored polish, I'm already almost done with my left hand, by the way. I'm already rambling so much in this video. This is Catrice number 49 Flirt Frequency, and I'm only going to apply one coat of this polish for all of my nails. It is so opaque, I only needed one, especially now my nails are shorter. I feel like I usually need like less layers of polish to make it completely opaque, because my smile line is just really short, like my free edge is very short, or at least for me personally. I know a lot of you still feel like my nails are quite long at the moment, but if you look back at videos from last year or even the year before or earlier, I've always had super long natural nails. So for me, these are very short, and it's also quite difficult for me to paint my nails when they are this shorter length. Because I'm used to really load up my nail polish brush and just have a lot of product on there. But if I do so on this shorter length, it's just going to flood the cuticle area and be one hot mess. So yeah, it's actually quite difficult for me to paint shorter nails. That's like crazy. Usually people find it harder to paint longer length nails because it's just more work, but for me shorter nails are really challenging. But yeah, this beautiful Catrice polish is actually from their new nail polish update. I think they came out in like February, maybe March. I got them quite early. I think I got them like the end of January already, and I have already done a full swatch and review of the new colors. I think I don't really know how many new colors there were actually by Catrice, maybe 10. There weren't a lot. Like the Essence update was massive. There were like 45 new shades. I've already done a video on that as well. If you haven't checked it out, do so after watching this video, because it was a fun one and a lot of beautiful colors were in that as well. One coders too. But yeah, this Catrice one, it's just really, really beautiful. It is beautifully pink. It's like one of those fuchsia kind of pinks, or like orchid pinks, which I love so much. If you've been hanging out with me here on my YouTube channel for like the last 9 years, 10 years, I don't even know how long I've been doing this, you know that I love pinks. Like, pinks are my favorite colors to wear on my nails. And yes, this color is just beautiful. It's just a little bit like shy from a true Barbie pink in my opinion, but it is so opaque, it is so luscious, it is beautiful. I really, really love it. And I think the Catrice polishes are like $3.69 at the moment, so they are a little bit more expensive than our Essence polishes, which are like €2 I think. But yeah, they're still really affordable in my opinion, and quality wise they are pretty similar to the Essence ones. I have seen that I've worn this polish now for over a week. It's like 1.5 weeks or something, and I did have more tip wear and just the polish like rubbing off from everyday use of my hands and cleaning and stuff and taking care of my babies and my husband. It did rub off more easily, so I think that has to do with the Catrice formula, because the Essence one was like perfectly fine after like 15 days already. So yeah, I don't know, maybe the quality is a little more chippable or prone to chipping, I have to say, or tip wear. I haven't really done more or anything excessive with my hands compared to the other weeks that I had the Essence polish on. So yeah, I think like quality wise they're still good, but I just felt like I had tip wear faster, or maybe that's just because I've only added one coat of the colored polish and it just came off more easily. Or it was more noticeable because it was only one layer. I don't know. But for top coat, I'm going in with the Ultra Stay top coat by Catrice. I've been using this one for ages already. I really have to switch it up, to be honest. But I only have this top coat on my work desk, so it's really easy for me to just grab it and use it. But I think I'm going to switch it out for another one. If you have any recommendations on like glossy top coats that you really, really like, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm always up for trying new brands, new top coats, new bases, and so on. So if you have any recommendations also for base coats, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thanks a lot on forehand. But let me know what you think about this color. Have you got it yourself as well, or are you planning on getting it? Because it is so beautiful. If you love brighter pinks like orchid pinks, almost Barbie pinks, definitely check this one out. It is already in stores for like the last 2 months or something. You can easily get them online as well, which is pretty much what I do. I always get them at Boozy Shop because it is really close to where I live and I like to support local businesses. And yeah, just let me know what you think. And also, what are you wearing on your nails right now yourself? Have you painted your nails while watching this video? Let me know. I'm always curious to hear about that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, always let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I just want to thank you all so much. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.